Get GMB Audit, local SEO, and competitor analysis all in one tool. That is GMB Everywhere. To install, just head to gmbeverywhere.com and click the Install Chrome extension button. After successful installation, you can now go to maps.google.com and search for any business. Categories are one of the most important ranking factors for a business. That's why it is important to know the Google Business Profiles categories. With GMB Everywhere, you can just search for a business in Google Maps. And right inside the search results on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the primary category of the business with the star icon and the secondary categories. Curious how a business ranks at a particular place? With Teleport feature, you can literally teleport to any business location to see their local ranking. Just click the teleport button, enter the search term, choose the location, and click Teleport Me here. GMB Everywhere Teleport feature will show you the top ranking business at a particular location related to the search term. Checking business profile information has never been easier. With GMB Everywhere's basic audit, you can find the important Google Business Profile information in one glance. Just click the basic audit button, and it will show you a page with useful information for the business. This contains the Google Review Request link that can be used to solicit reviews from customers, the Place ID, the CID, and the Business Profile ID, business claim status, and other relevant information about a business profile in Google. At the bottom part of the page, you'll be seeing the external audit links, together with SEO audit links and website audit links. Curious on how your competitors are being perceived by customers? Check the Review Audit. Click the Review Audit button. It will show you review trends for a business and most common used words according to the published reviews in Google Business Profile. And not just that, with Post Audit, you can also see Google Post Insights for a business. Click the Post Audit button and it will show you details on how Google posts are being made. It can show you post analysis based on number of posts on date and cumulative posts and other relevant information for a business profile. Never miss out with GMB Everywhere because it's highly integrated with your Google business experience. GMB Everywhere buttons can be found in Google Search, Google Maps search results, Google Maps business page, also visible in Google Local Finder, and Local Finder single business page. With GMB Everywhere Chrome extension's powerful features, you can really do more for your business.